I went ahead and these were the normal skate bolts that have that flat, and then these ones here were the ones I got that were longer, but they have the round one. So I went ahead and on the grinder, these are still a little bit hot, but I turned it on and then, ooh, that it actually hurts to touch. I just ground the tip off. So it's hot. They're flat now. But I went ahead and did that for all four. So it should be easier to, more comfortable to have them in the shoe. So this is the first one that I did to take the space off so that I could have a flatter surface to put this mount on. I went ahead and I lined it up to where I wanted it, and then I marked it, and I marked it by taking the edge of a thing, and then I just kind of traced out where I wanted it. In the first one, I took my little tool here, and if you use something like a sander, what you're going to end up doing is you're going to clog it up. So like this was previously used to sand plastics. Well, plastics get in there and they melt it, and all that porous surface that it needs to take material away is going to get gunked up and it's going to be worthless. So you're going to want something instead that grinds away at what you got. Something that'll grind away is something like this. This bit will literally rip the material off without getting clogged. So I have it in that shape. The one I liked is this round one here. And it's got all these little edges that just kind of, let's see, that work real nice on taking that out. It's a hot mess. The more heat, you'll end up burning the plastic. You have to wear respiratory, do it outside. So I went ahead and I took my X-Acto knife and I cut away, and that got most of it off. I could go up with this and I could clean it up a little bit, but honestly, that's about all the meat of everything I need taken off. I might grind a little bit on here, but it makes kind of a mess. This honestly, it's really easy. Since I have the material ground down where I'd like it to be, and I've got all this cut away, all that extra material, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna drill the holes. So I have a smaller drill bit that I initially used to put through here, so I strip out as little of the plastic material as possible, and then after I have that, then I'll go ahead and I'll pull that off, and then I'll take a larger one. Initially, the problems that I've been running into is that there's nails in here that mount the shoe to the sole, and right about where I need it is where this nail is and this nail is on the back, and so it'll end up going right against those, and I have to pull those. Alright, I'm checking here. I think that's about as lined. Hold on. There we go. That's about as lined as I think. I don't know if it'll be better if it's at a slight angle, but I think I'll be okay with that. I'm going to go ahead and drill the hole for here, and then I'm going to get a bolt through that, and then I'm going to go ahead and drill the holes here, and then I'll get this last one lined up.